Hi, my name is JC Ryan with SixBit Support. Today I'll be showing you a new feature in SixBit Beta 160 that lets you add multiple items to SixBit using barcodes. Barcodes such as UPC, EAN, or ISBN. Let me give you a quick rundown as to how this works. You'll see on my desk I've got a handheld barcode scanner and a stack of videos here. And if you see me go over into SixBit, I'm going to click on Add Multiple Items, and I can quickly go down through here, grab my scanner, and go beep, 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 and you will see in SixBit that I have a list of all my nice little UPC codes. I click on OK there. It'll go through the catalog, it'll match things up, and there they are, all 6 of them all ready to go. I'm going to quickly delete these for the time being because I want to show you how to do this step by step. Alright, so to start off, the first thing we are going to need is an item template to match these things up against. So I'm going to quickly go into Manage Item Templates. I'm going to create a new template. Looks just like a regular item window here, but I am going to select my eBay category. These are going to be DVDs and movies and DVDs and Blu-rays. I'm going to make a couple other quick settings here. My payments preset, my shipping preset, and I'll add a description wrapper. I think I've only got basic. Yes, I only have basic, so we will add the basic one there. I don't want to add any pricing information because these are going to be different. Some of these may be collector's edition, some of these may be cheapos, so I am going to quickly give this a name. I'm going to call it video, and I'm going to save and exit. Now I have an item template called video. I click on done here. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to click on add and multiple items. Now here's the add multiple items window. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to choose my item template that I just created called video. That's got all my presets on there. It's got the category all set there, and now I can do two things. I can pick up my barcode scanner again and scan through those again, or I can import a file. Now the file can be in one of two formats. It can be just your UPC codes, one per line like that one there, or it can be in a CSV separated by commas as it goes along. It doesn't matter for this particular import. So I'm going to click on import. I'm going to find my file called output, and here are the barcodes again. I can click on OK. It'll go through the catalog. It'll add them to SixBit. There they all are sitting right there, all nice and happy. Now I'm going to remove those again. Now to show you that this isn't just restricted to just books and movies, I'm going to bring over a stack of used computer hardware that I have collected throughout the ages and show you that these UPC codes will come in as well. Now normally I would set up a new item template for this, but I'm going to use an existing one just to save time. I'm going to use the game one here. I'm going to grab my barcode scanner again, and I'm going to go through these and scan these in. There's a Chromecast. Here it is, an old motherboard of mine. That might scan there, it'll scan there. And here's another old motherboard of mine with a UPC code on it. There are 4 nice little UPC codes there. Click OK. Have it go through the catalog. If it's in the catalog, it will show up here. There's the memory, there's the Chromecast, and there are the 2 motherboards. So this isn't just limited to books and videos. Anything with a UPC code, if it shows up in the eBay catalog, it will show up in SixBit. If it doesn't have an entry in the eBay catalog, such as this brand new R9 video card I purchased recently, if I go and I do add multiple items again and I scan this UPC code, you will see that this UPC code will do nothing because it is not in the eBay catalog, so it will not come into SixBit. Now, some of you may be saying, well, I don't have $170 to spend on a handheld scanner, and typing things into a text file for import is just going to take me too much time, so it's not going to be worth it. To which I ask, do you own an Android phone? Because if you do, I have found a nice little app that will turn your Android phone into a Bluetooth handheld scanner, and that app is called Bluetooth Barcode Scanner by Useful Apps. So what I can do here is I can go ahead and just click on install here. I found it in the Google Play Store by just searching for Bluetooth barcode, and once I found that, the Bluetooth barcode scanner, I can choose my device. I'll throw it onto my Bionic as well. I can click on continue, and that will push that app straight down to my phone here. So now I've got it on my phone. It'll be coming down to this phone here. So what I'm going to need to do is need to have a Bluetooth adapter in my computer. Mine has one built in automatically, but you can buy one from eBay or anywhere else for relatively cheap. Any Bluetooth wireless adapter is going to work for you here. And then the second thing you'll need to do is go to usefulapps.net to get the second half of this program. It is $1.49 for the program on the Google Play Store, but it's relatively cheap when you think about the $170 for the handheld scanner. So I download my Bluetooth barcode receiver and I get that installed, and it looks a lot like this here. And it's sitting there, it's waiting for a phone to connect. I will show you this on my Moto X, which I already have it installed on. So I will start my Bluetooth barcode scanner. I will click into my options. I will make my phone discoverable. And then I will come back over to my computer and I will click on my little Bluetooth icon here, click on add a device. I will see my phone here. I will click on next. It will go through the process of giving you a code. The code is the same on both of these, so I will click next here, and I will click pair on my phone. Now we're going to get the driver software installation here. Now it's going to try to install a bunch of stuff here, and some of it isn't going to install because the functionality isn't there, but we're not going to worry about that. We'll let Windows go through its little dance here with the driver installation here with a little da-dunts and dun-dun-dunts, depending on if it finds it or don't find it. And it might be done, it might not, it might go through a second round here shortly. It says the device has been successfully added to this computer. I can click on close. This still says waiting for a phone to connect. I can come back over to my phone over here, and I can click on the connect button here at the bottom. Click on connect. Choose my computer out of the list of available devices here. And now my receiver says found phone, so it's going to verify the connection. It's going to go through. My phone now says that you're connected, so it's ready to go. Now I can go back into SixBit, add multiple items, and I will just take my phone here. I will click on, I clicked on the wrong thing already. I click on continuous scan, so it just keeps scanning barcodes, and I will beep through the barcodes. Not quite as fast as the other one, but for the price, I will take it. And there we have all 6 of those. I can cancel my scan on the phone, and I've got my barcodes lined up here. I click on OK. It goes through the catalog, and it adds my devices right in there. I should say my videos right in there, and it's all happy and good to go. So there's a couple of ways that you can add multiple items very quickly to eBay using the eBay catalog. I have been JC Ryan with SixBit Support, and I hope you have a great day.